Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to take screenshot in your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all, uh, this is your first step. How can you take screenshot? Just go to your search option and type SC and you can find snipping tools. Just open it and after opening there have a option new. Select it and then select your screenshot area where you want to take screenshot. I want to take full screen, that's why I select full screen. Right now there have an option for save and select save. Okay, all right now I show you where my screen already save picture, where here you can see the photo already saved. I just rename this PC skin. Okay, right now I want to take another screenshot from another step. So next step is you just need to press a print screen key from your keyboard. Just press print screen key from your PC or laptop keyboard. I just press it, and right now what you need to do, just go again search bar and type print and just type P and there have a option paint. Select it and then paste here. Here you can see screenshot already paste on here. Right now you need to save. There have a option of file and save, and here you can see here is before on, that's I saved. Right now new on I want to save on here. Well, right now I will show you. Just go on picture. Here you can see two screenshot already saved on here. So in this two way you can take a screenshot in your Windows PC or laptop. So I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.